Hi, I'm Nicki Sizemore here in the Fine Cooking Test Kitchens. A chimichurri sauce is one of the easiest ways to transform a simple piece of meat or vegetables into something delicious. Here I'll show you the simple steps to making a homemade chimichurri sauce at home. First, we are going to chop some garlic. I'm actually going to mince this garlic first of all and then mash it to a paste. So just break it down. Okay, once the garlic is minced, sprinkle it with some coarse salt, and then we will mash it up. So you use the edge of your blade here, and you slowly press and scrape the garlic into the cutting board. The reason we're doing this, by the way, is that we want the garlic to really incorporate throughout the sauce. You don't really want to be biting into chunks of raw garlic, and this way it'll just meld really effortlessly into the sauce. All right, this looks good. So I'm going to transfer this garlic to a bowl, and let's add the rest of the ingredients. So I have some finely chopped parsley. Now here you could absolutely add some other herbs as well. I often do a mix of parsley and cilantro, whatever you have. I'm also adding some dried oregano. This is traditional in a chimichurri sauce. It adds a little bit of a punch. We've got lemon zest. Just stir this up with a little salt and pepper. And now we need some acid. So I am going to add red wine vinegar. This sauce, like I said, should be a little acidic. We want it to cut through the flavors of grilled beef or chicken. And then last but not least, some extra virgin olive oil. I am just eyeballing everything here. This is one of those no ingredient recipes. It's a great back pocket recipe to have on hand because you can instantly transform an ordinary piece of, grilled seafood into something absolutely delicious. You can drizzle this over nearly any vegetable, roasted potatoes. It's awesome with pasta or potato salad even. Sometimes I like to mix this into mayonnaise to make a flavored aioli as a dipping sauce. It also works really well as a marinade. So here I have marinated some chicken drumsticks in the chimichurri and a little bit more olive oil, and then roasted them in the oven. And then once they come out, you can drizzle this with some more of that chimichurri sauce. And this is just a really simple but really flavorful meal. For more tips and recipes, go to finecooking.tv.